Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of hiccups. The first way and the best way is to drink vinegar. I know some of you, probably a lot of you, everyone doesn't like vinegar. I can't say everyone, I like vinegar. But a lot of people out there don't like vinegar. I swear to you, it works. Okay, we've got several choices for you here today. It's a shame we don't have regular distilled white vinegar, but we do have apple cider vinegar, Captain Morgan original spiced rum, Tom Pecan red wine vinegar, and Captain Morgan original. This isn't supposed to be here. Well, we got a couple of twists for you here today. Apple cider vinegar. I'll taste it and tell you if it's good. It's good enough. Red wine vinegar. It's a weird little cap. Vinegar is vinegar, I guess. They both work just fine. Another pretty good way is to eat a shitload of sugar. I don't know why, but it just works. Sugar.
That's a lot of sugar. This should chew just nicely though. Ew, it looks like I got cum dripping off my... That's pretty gross, man. Ew, yucky. But I might just turn gay if that's how cum really tastes. Because no one can really ever get tired of sugar. Well, there might be some people out there who don't like sugar. I'm not one of them.
If you want to get superstitious, then you can drink from the far side of a glass or put a horseshoe in your pants. I think you put a horseshoe in your pants. Or it could just be drink from the far side of a glass. The far side of a glass, which would be this one right here, so. It's kind of hard to do, but it's not impossible. Now that we're through with that, let us get on with some things you should avoid about hiccups. When you're at school and you get the hiccups and you raise your hand and such and you say, "Teacher, I have the hiccups." And she goes, "Get a glass of, go get a drink of water or something." You go, "No, damn it, I want some vinegar. Or something, some salt or something." You can even complain about drinking from the far side of a glass. Water will never work. Keep that in mind. Never, ever, ever. It will never work. Ever. Ever. It just doesn't work. Water doesn't work. Ever. Alright? Keep that in mind.